Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Norberto Maza Cepeda. I have a bachelor degree in Enseñanza del Inglés. I have a master's degree in Psicopedagogía, and right now I'm studying my second master's degree in Didáctica de las Lenguas. Well, welcome. Today we have this topic that is called the trip of my dreams. I know that we have the dream to go somewhere else, so today is the day. You are a millionaire group planning your summer vacation. The origin is your community context, and the destination you decide. We are going to work in teams of 5 people, 4 people to organize the trip. And the objective is that students are able to use reading and writing as well as oral expression of the target language, in this case, English, to be able to express your ideas and results obtained about the planning trip. So we need to plan the trip, and the step number 1 is going to be itinerary and prices. You need to select your country, you need to decide your country, and then how long are you staying? You need to select the hotel and the prices of the hotels. Transportation, in this case, we are going to use flights. So from Mexico to your destination, and we are going to select a round trip. In that country, we have to select 5 different tourist attractions. In this case, you put 5 real places. At the end of this activity, you have to give me the total amount of money you spent. It can be in pesos, it can be in dollars, or it can be in euros. So it's very important to know the currency that we are using. In the number 2, well, we want to know about the food. You know that the food is very important in a specific country, no? So we are going to select from 3 to 5 different dishes, traditional dishes in this case, and you have to include images. You have to write a short description similar to in the restaurants that we have a description of the dish, and you are going to include the recipe. In this case, only ingredients. We are going to work with the vocabulary of ingredients. When we finish the process, in the number 3, we are going to create a presentation. We are going to show the results to the others, the results of the country that you select. The team is going to present the final results in a PowerPoint presentation. I will give you 4 seals in the activity number 1 and 4 seals in the activity number 2. In this case, it's a total of 8 seals. You have to send the evidence in a Word document using Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, you will have the section for number 1, number 2, and number 3. Something very important for everyone and for the teams. If you have problems with your internet connection, the team has an extra day to send the evidence. So I know that sometimes we have problems with the internet. Don't worry, just let me know and I will help you with the deadline. So I will give you some extra days to send the activities if you are having problems with the internet. Well, in this case, the instruments and the weighting that we are using, well, there are 3 specific: itinerary and prices. That is a formative assessment, 4 seals, and you send it to Google Classroom. That's the number 1. Number 2, traditional food of the country, 4 seals, and you send the information in Google Classroom. With a total of 8 seals, this is the 50% of your grade. So the research is very important, 50%. And at the end, the presentation that is called summative assessment is your PowerPoint presentation. This is 50%. And you have to send this presentation individual. So in this case, number 1, number 2, and number 3, those 3 activities are in the platform. Remember, the platform will be open for a specific period of time. Well, then we have transversal socio-cognitive resources, and we are using 4 specific socio-cognitive resources. Number 1, it's called mathematical thinking. The prices, the money, the euros, the pesos, so we have to check the amounts. Then we have communication. You have to select your country, you have to talk, well, different ideas. Historical science. How was this situation of traveling with your mom and your dad? It was different or it was the same? And right now we have digital culture. We are using the computer, the cell phone, or maybe a tablet to look for this information. And well, to close this activity, I want to know what you think about everything. So we are going to create a final reflection with the help of these questions. Okay, so thank you guys for paying attention, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.